Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Fix 1. Step to fix sound problem in Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down, then click on more sound settings. And then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and here select off and then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonics for headphones and then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Euro Truck Simulator 2 game menu and make sure that your volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Also make sure that volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speaker and see if that helps or not. Fix 3. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and then select more devices in printer settings, then right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit apply and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Now select the sound device you are using for the game, and after the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Now your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.